Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by focusing on the worksheet with the broken heading. Select the header row immediately and inspect for merged cells. Merged cells often break sorting and filtering. Once selected, check column widths and hidden columns because hidden columns shift header alignment. Make sure you're on normal view and not page layout. This affects how headings appear. Now that the header row is isolated and checked, you're ready to lock it and apply formatting so it behaves as a proper header. Next, you convert the row into a real header so Excel recognizes it. Insert a table and tick My Table has headers. This enforces sorting, filtering, and consistent behavior. Once done, use View Freeze pane's Freeze top row so the heading stays visible while scrolling. Make sure filters appear on each header cell. If they don't, reapply the table conversion. Also check cell styles, apply bold and wrap text to preserve full titles. These steps lock the header into Excel's structure. To finish, test by sorting a column and using filters. This verifies the heading functions correctly. If columns shift or the header misaligns, remove any merged cells and recreate the header row, then convert to a table again. If the freeze pane setting seems stuck, unfreeze and refreeze top row. Make sure you're not in page break preview. One key troubleshooting tip. When headings behave oddly, copy the header row to a new sheet, rebuild the table, then replace. This often clears hidden formatting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.